What's up, guys? And today I'm reacting to Jeffy and Junior's gold play button. So let's get started.
What, Jeffy? Daddy, I just made this new song. It's so fire, you have to hear it. No, I have a headache. Well, too bad, Daddy. I'm going to play it for you anyway. No. We're here.
What the heck?
Jeffy, turn it off. Daddy, I'm going to sing for you. I pooped my pants. I didn't wipe. It's running up my back right now. Jeffy, turn it off. It's on my fingers. Jeffy, turn it off. Smells real bad. Jeffy, turn piano so loud. Jeffy, check out this team.
Jeffy, calm down.
Jeffy, stop being annoying.
Mario, use his toy.
Oh, get it for me. Jeffy, here's your toy.
What the heck?
Go get it.
What the? Okay. They're treating him like a freaking dog.
Alright, guys, welcome back to Junior's Toy Reviews. I'm going to show you off my
Whoa,
Thomas Tank Ninja collection.
Junior,
Here's my regular
okay.
Thomas. Here's my little baby mini Thomas. Here's my fat chunky boy Thomas. And here's my limited edition, never before opened, solid gold PSA 10 gold Thomas. Jeffy, you just ruined my video. Oh, I'm sorry, Junior. What are you doing? I'm trying to become YouTube videos like
Junior.
Ryan's Toy Reviews so I can make millions of dollars and get a gold play button. A gold play button? What's that? Well, when you hit 1 million subscribers on YouTube, they send you a solid gold play button with your name on it. Oh, I want a solid gold play button, Junior. You want to help me make YouTube videos? Heck yeah. All right, so I was thinking that we could prank Chef Pee-Pee, but I didn't have anyone to hold the camera. Okay, and we can throw hammers at him or something. Yeah, we can prank him with like a fake snake or something. Oh, that'll be so Pee-Pee, Junior. Let's go prank Chef Pee-Pee. All right, let's go. All right, Jeffy, we're going to prank Chef Pee-Pee with this fake snake. Look. It's so real. Oh, that's so sick, Junior. We're going to get all the views. Yeah, he's really going to believe it. But Pumpkin, get away from it, Pumpkin. Pumpkin, Pumpkin, get away from it, Pumpkin. But look, Pumpkin believes it's real, so Chef Pee-Pee think it's real too, okay? All right, Junior, let's go.
It would have been cool if it slid underneath the door.
Unleash the snake.
That would be good.
I'm going to get my pants. No, the snake. Oh, you're talking about a thing that's bigger than 2 inches. I got it right here. No, can't touch this. Junior, what's going on? Pranked. What prank? You trying to throw a hammer? You're killing me. That's not a prank. Pranked. You know what? I'm gonna tell you that.
That's a horrible
It's just a
video.
prank, Jeffy, calm
You're
down.
probably like one
Some users are gonna be freaking
view.
out. We sure are, Junior. Let's go upload it to YouTube. Let's go upload it. I love pizza rolls. All right, Jeffy, I uploaded our video, and I titled it Chef Pee-Pee Prank.
Oh, he got
Hilarious,
5.
so funny, haha, gone wrong with hammer. Oh, sweet, Junior. How many views we got? We got a rockin' 5 views. Okay, well,
So
how
far,
many
that's
do
a
we
really
get
good
our gold
start.
play button? Well, we need 1 million subscribers, and if we assume that the 5 people that watched and subscribed, we still need a bunch of subscribers. Like, we're not even close.
Oh, what the?
Dang it, Junior. I want my gold play button now. I'm tired of waiting. I'm tired of waiting, too. I wish I had a gold play button, like, right now, but I think it's going to take us a couple years. Well, what about this Super Mario Logan guy? He's got 38 M views. Wait, that means million. Wait, he has to have a gold play button. Wait, what if we break into his house and we try to steal his gold
You're
play
in
button?
his
Oh, I
house.
think we should totally do that, Junior. Let's Google his address. Let's Google his address and see if it pops up. Jeffy, look, his address is online. Pee-Pee. Junior, we should totally go there and steal his gold play button. I mean, his address is online, so he's basically begging us to come steal his gold play button. Right. Like we should show up at nighttime and say we're fans, because he's going to think we're fans, and we're going to ask to take a picture of his gold play button, and when he's not looking, we're going to snatch it. Yeah, Junior, let's go. Let's go to his house right now. Yeah, let's go right now. All right, Jeffy, there's his house. And he's got the Lambo sitting out front. I call dibs. We're not stealing the Lambo. Oh, come on, Junior, please. Okay, fine. If we see the key sitting around, we'll steal the Lambo. Yes. All right, so we're going to knock on the door, pretend we're fans, and when he lets us in, we're going to steal the gold plate button. Junior, I think we should take these ski masks off, or else he's going to think that we're going to rob the place. Well, we don't want him to see our identity, because if he sees us when we steal, he's going to call the cops on us and know who we are. Yeah, but if he sees us in masks, he already might call the police, so I think we should take them off. Okay, how about you take the mask off and pretend to be a fan, and when you get in the house, you open up a window so I can sneak in with the mask on and take the gold play button, and he'll never know that I was stuck inside the house because you opened up a window. Oh, good idea, Junior. Let's do that. All right, you go to the door. I'll go to the back. All right. Nice house. 11 o'clock at night. Nothing weird about this. I'm just going to ring his doorbell and maybe he'll give me a house tour.
Oh,
I
wow.
don't know, dude. Who's at the door? Bruh, I don't know. This is your house.
Whoa.
That scene.
11 o'clock at night.
Exactly. It's 11 o'clock at night. The fans cannot show up at night.
Wow.
It's your house, though. You need to tell them to go. I swear if it's fans, I'm gonna scream. Hello? I get Super Mario, Logan? Yeah. The creator of Jeffy? Yeah. Where's the Jeffy puppet? Lance has it. Can I hold it? Well, Lance isn't here right now. Well, I saw his truck out front. Okay, well, he's upstairs, but we're not using Jeffy today. Okay, where's Junior? I mean, I'm using him for a scene. Can I hold Junior? Well, we're trying to get a scene right now. Well, I can be in the scene. I'm the bestest at the scenes. I'll get it one take. Well, I mean, it'll be a one-take Timmy. Okay, well, we're trying to get... Can I get a house tour? I mean, we're not letting fans... Can I live here? Well, we're not letting fans inside the house because of the call. Well, I've already had it, so we're good. So, can I live here?
Hey.
Well, where's your parents? Oh, they're in the car. We drove all the way from Alaska non-stop to be here. All I wanted for my birthday. I just wanted to come see you, and now I'm here standing in front of you. I can see you.
Those are some really good puppets.
Yeah, okay, well, Alaska's really far away. Yeah, it was. The tires never stopped moving. Like, non-stop. We didn't even sleep. 2 days. 2 days we drove here to see you for my birthday, and now I'm not leaving until I get to hold the Jeffy puppet. Can I have some merch? I mean, we have merch. I can give you some merch. Okay. Can I get a PlayStation 5, an Xbox X, and an Xbox S? I mean, where's Precious? She's in my room. Can I see Precious? Can I hold her? Can I have Precious? Well, she's under the bed. What about Pumpkin? Where's Pumpkin? I mean, he's in the house. Can I have him? No. Why? Because he's my cat. Why? Because I want... Look, how about... Hold on. Can I eat dinner here? No. Hold on. One more thing. Can we FaceTime my brother's sister's best friend's husband's cousin's sister? I know he'll answer.
What the
If not, let's try 20 more times, 'cause
You have so many
I want
questions.
to release this scene.
He's probably gonna not like
No,
you.
okay, how about this? Thanks for being a fan. Okay, hold on. One more thing before I go. Can I have a picture with the gold plate? Oh, yes, that's something I actually can do. Okay, all right, let's do it. You get a picture with that, and then you gotta go, okay? And then I can drive the Lambo. No, you're not old enough. How old are you? 17. Okay, listen, let's just go get a picture of the gold play button, and then we'll think about it. All right. All right, here's the gold play button. When's the HTML movie coming out? I mean, we're still working on it. Take a picture of the gold play button. I don't have a phone. Well, how are you supposed to take a picture? It's hot in here. Can I open up a window? No. I'm going to open up a window. It's hot in here. Don't. At T-Mobile, we believe you should get more. That's why we merged with... Well, Jeffy, you made it inside. How is it? Oh, it's really cool, Junior. He let me see the gold play button. Is it golden? Oh, yeah. It's super
Sorry
cool,
for
Junior.
the ad.
And I think my chances of driving the Lambo are pretty good. Really? Yeah, and he's really, really nice, so he might even let me have the Lamborghini. That's so cool. Okay, let's grab the gold play button. Oh, this is a good idea, Junior. Was it a fan? Yeah, now he's inside the house. He won't leave. Wait, what? You let him in? Come on, Logan. Why? We filming right now. I know.
We
he wanted to
filming
choose the
right
gold play button, and now he won't leave.
You're not even filming.
No, he's opened up windows. I don't know why he's opened up a window, but Lavelle, can you help me get him out? I guess. Look, you gotta learn to be mean, Logan. Dang.
Yeah, this is why you don't let people in your house at 11 o'clock at night.
Here it is, Junior. Whoa, it's so golden.
Y'all better hurry
Oh,
up
yeah,
because
I've already seen it, though. This is like my second time seeing it. Okay, help me get it off the wall. All right. What? It's like stuck on the wall. Yeah, Junior, how are we gonna get it off the wall? Okay, well, we only want the gold part. So let's find a hammer, shatter this glass, and steal the gold part. Oh, good thinking, Junior. All right, you stall. I find the hammer. All right, Junior. All right, here's Lavelle. You're the voice of Chef Pee-Pee. Mm-hmm. You're the voice of Joseph. Yep. You're the voice of Toad. Exactly. You're Charlie. You're Charlie. Charlie? Okay. Hi, guys. I'm Charlie. So what do you want? You want a picture or something? No, I don't have a phone. You're Chef Pee-Pee. You're the voice of Chef Pee-Pee. So what do you want me to say? Anything. Junior, get out of this kitchen. Where's Lance? You know what, Lance? Come here. Someone want to see you. Lance, where are you at? Hey, Lance, there's a fan.
whoa.
Yeah. You're the voice of Jeffy. You're Lance. That's you. Yep. Can you say something in his Jeffy voice? Well, what do you want me to say? Say, hey, Jeffy, what doing? All right. Hey, Jeffy, what doing? That's so cool.
That is amazing. Their puppets look so cool.
You said you're gonna go upstairs and take some stuff. You were trying to help me get him out. But you let him in your house. Oh my God, I'm sitting on the red couch. Can I have it? No. This is the red couch that you film on. I know. Can I have Junior? No. Why? Because I need him. Well, can I have Joseph? No. Can I have Cody? No. Why? Because I only have one of them. Well, can I live here? No, I gotta get back to filming. Well, I drove all the way from Alaska. I want to live here. Well, you can't live here. Just Look, can you please leave?
He's gonna say absolutely not.
I told him to come back in a couple hours, so I'm stuck here.
What?
Well, I need to get back to filming, so can you just, I'll call you an Uber. No, I don't want Uber. I want to live here. I want to be in the film. Can I be in the film? No, I gotta finish filming. Like, please, just leave. No, I want to see you on the red couch watch you film. Leave! Oh, wow. You're mean. You're the meanest YouTuber I've ever seen. Ever. Wow, never meet your idols. I'm glad you got demonetized. Rude. All right, I'm about to steal that gold. Wait, what? Hey, Logan! There's a kid in a ski mask trying to steal your play button. I gotta hurry up and break it.
Get him!
Jeffy, we're caught! Run! Yeah, you caught! Run, Jeffy, run! Oh my god, that was the weirdest fan ever. Oh, the weirdest. The weirdest. Well, that sucks. We didn't get the gold play button. Yeah, Junior, and they were super mean. Yeah, they were the meanest
Yo,
YouTubers
you were
ever.
super annoying.
The Super Mario Logan is the meanest YouTuber in the world. He didn't give us any merch. Yeah, but we did get one thing, Junior. What? Is that the Lambo key?
How
It's
the-
the Lambo key. Shotgun! All right, let's try to get this scene.
I'm sorry, you guys.
What's that noise?
I'll go check. Logan, they took your Lambo.
What?
Dang.
Hey guys, it's Puppet Logan. I really hope you enjoyed the video. And I just want to let you guys know that we're having a contest on SMLmerch.com where every $10 you spend on the website, you'll be entered into a contest where you have a chance where we'll make a puppet that looks just like you. We'll use it in an SML video and it'll be named after you. So this contest will go on until November 22nd. We'll announce the winner on November 23rd. So every $10 you spend, you get
Oh,
more
wow.
chances added onto the contest where you can win a puppet that looks just like you, made to look just like you, and we'll use it in an SML video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the contest. Go on SMLmerch.com. But I just want to tell you guys that you're amazing. You're the best fans in the world, and without you, we would never be able to do something like this. So you guys are awesome. We love you, and we're going to continue to make videos just for you guys.